Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert an image to PDF file on your iPhone. But before I do that, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is go to your photos and you want to find any photo. So let's say I want to use this photo. Then what I want to do is click on the bottom left as I want to share it, and then I want to click on print. But of course we won't print this image, but I can essentially create a PDF just like on a computer. So on the top right, click on the share button again, and now as you can see it's already created as a PDF document. Now I can share it on WhatsApp, Telegram, save it on my phone. Let's say I save it in my notes and it's right over here, photo.pdf. This is the photo, I can share that photo again, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.